Federal government don't gree make them make 286 foreigners Nigeria citizens. Federal Executive Council don't approve make them make 286 foreigners citizens of Nigeria out of 600 people when apply. Minister of Interior Rauf Aregbesola now talk this one after Federal Executive Council meeting when Oga Presido Buhari they in charge.
These applicants are from virtually every part of the world. Americans, North and South, Australian, Europeans, Arabs, Asians, all over.
He talks say the foreigners go through better check before they approve their citizenship.
So the number of those who are granted Nigerian citizenship and naturalization, who are desirous of being Nigerians, is 208. While those who are granted Nigerian citizenship by registration, women married to Nigerians, called Nigeria wives, are 78. They are men and women of integrity and good character.
The Minister of Aviation, Hadi Sirika, can say the council still approve 12.09 billion naira contract when go be for supply, installation and maintenance of IVO bridges for the aviation industry.
This is part of all that we've been doing to reactivate the failing infrastructure within the country. And of course, Lagos being the major airport in the country, and this will make passenger facilitation easier, safer, and of course it will add value and create more efficiency within the system of that particular airport, and that this is also an ongoing program for all of our failed airports.
The Minister of State for Petroleum, Timi Purisiva, can say the council don't close the contract to construct 17 local content buildings for Bayelsa State.
You will recall that in 2020, Mr. President already commissioned that project. There were some ancillary works that had to be done to connect some of the buildings, and that was now presented to council for the sum of 1.817 billion. So this is the end of this project, and we have completely delivered this to Nigerians.
The minister can say he don't inform Oga Presido say some wuru bad people don't they import fake fuel enter Nigeria. Matthew Ajakaye, TMC TV News.